Hi all, this is the worksheet that I have uploaded to Google Drive, Chapter 6, Exercise 2. Okay, so this will be the solution guide. Now, question 1. We're going to consider the corresponding table and present this into the histogram. Lastly, construct a diagram histogram. And then, based on the histogram, we also considered how to construct the frequency polygon. Okay, so let's start. Now, to find the class boundary, is find it step by step. The first one, the weight. This is the class interval. Okay, we are going to construct the class boundaries based on class intervals. But how can we do it? Now, the first one. Now consider the following data. 19 and 20. What is in the middle? 19 plus 20 over 2 is 19.5. We got this data, 19.5. We put it here and there. Next one, 29 and 30. To do the calculation, 29 plus 30 over 2 is equal to 29.5. We put the 29.5 here and there. Okay, then once I have constructed, the second class boundaries has been constructed, right? 19.5 to 29.5 gram. Okay, so based on this pattern, each difference is 10. So I can repeat this. Oh, very easy, right? Oh, the last one, the one on the above is 9.5. By this way, we can finish the class boundaries based on the class intervals very quickly. Okay? Erase it first. Now, how about part B? Use a histogram to present the above data. Now remember, when we're using histogram, we can use class boundaries for the histogram, but not the class intervals. Okay, using class boundaries only. Okay, so right now we consider the histogram now. The first part here will be title. Spell wrong. Title. This is the title. The title. Where can I find it? Aha! It's here. Just copy. The weight of some candies. Put it here. Okay. So title. The weights of some candies. And we also need to fill in the name of the x-axis and y-axis. Y-axis is the frequency. 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 For the x-axis, it is weight in gram. Weight in gram. Okay. Next one, we check. We are going to construct the bars. Now, what is the highest frequency among them? 14. We need to find a suitable scale such that I can include 14 in this data for sure and as large as possible. Okay, let's have a look. No matter how, the x-axis must be at the bottom left hand corner must be 0. First, let's check. Is it enough? 2, no, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh, just enough. So I use this scale. Next, class boundary start with 9.5. So I'll have it from here first. This symbol here means, oh, I have enlarged or make this part smaller for the x-axis. Just a sign representing I have some modification of the x-axis of data. Notice how x-axis start with 9.5. Let's see, for example, 9.5 is here. This is 19.5. Remember, use class boundaries. 29.5, 39.5, 49.5, 59.5. Is any more? 69.5. Yeah. Remember, no matter how you make, the width here for each class set of class boundaries should be the same. Okay? Then we draw the bars. What are the datas? 7. Just jot here. 7, 14, 13, 5, 7, 4. I just jot it down first. So 7. 7 is here. Okay? So I construct the bars. Draw the bars one by one. Okay? Next one, 14. 14 is here. Wait, no. 14. 14. 14. It's slightly too ugly. I just move it up a bit. Here. Fill it back. 14 done. Then 13. It's here. Okay, 5. 5 is here. 7. Lastly, will be 4. Okay, done. So this would be corresponding histogram. We can construct it. Remember, for histogram, the bars are sticking next to each other because these are continuous data, no gap between the bars. Okay. Then part C. How can we construct the frequency polygon on the same graph to represent the data? Now, to construct the frequency polygon, we need to consider the corresponding class mark of each bar. Actually, the class mark of each bar must be the middle of each bar. So let's draw the cross here first. Okay, for each bar, middle of the bar, I draw it out. This represents the class mark. Using class mark. Wow, but remember, the frequency polygon must be start with 0 and with 0. But if we join these red dots, well, it's not start with 0 and end with 0, so we need to consider the next class mark. Start with 0. The next class mark end with 0 should be here. Because we check 5 boxes. 5 boxes. Must be the same. Okay? Then join all the points right now with straight edges and straight line segments. Draw it one by one with a ruler, please. Okay. What you need to do is do it carefully. Then this will be the corresponding frequency polygon. Let's have a look. It's like this. Then question 1, done.